Go.
Okay, so as none of you know, I'm Hank Fox, and today we're going to be interviewing a bunch of random people and some people we know about the evolution of social networking from MySpace all the way up to Facebook. And you want to pass me the camera or not?
And I'm Alec, and I'll be assisting with the interviews of people we know and don't know. We're going to figure out what people look for in their social networking experiences, what they like about it, what they don't like about it, and all that fun stuff. And yeah.
Okay.
So, you ready?
Yeah, go.
Alright. So what was the first social network that you used?
I had MySpace in middle school.
MySpace?
And I'm assuming now you use Facebook, right?
Yeah.
So what do you see, why did you change to Facebook? What did you see the difference was?
I wasn't allowed on MySpace, I wasn't either, so and then I got in trouble, so I deleted it, but then I was allowed to have Facebook, so. And I don't really want to be raped, and and back in the day, MySpace couldn't have a lot of pictures. You could have like 10 max, and Facebook,
Alright.
you can have lots of pictures.
Okay.
Okay, any other benefits about Facebook that you like?
I have friends who don't live around here, so it's cool to like be able to see their pictures. Oh, and the like application. I really like that.
Do you think there needs to be a dislike button?
Yeah, for sure. There really does. For sure.
Okay. Do you two know what dialogic communication is?
No.
Do you know you use it every day?
Is that like LOL?
Kind of. It's just the different ways of interpreting like a certain message.
Oh, okay.
So, like you can interpret something one way, she can interpret something the other way.
Which is what sucks about online stuff, because you don't know like people's
Exactly.
expression.
Yep. So that's it.
So, Ben, what was the first social networking site that you were ever on?
MySpace.
Definitely. Alright. And now I'm assuming you're on Facebook, correct? Like everyone else. Why did you switch from MySpace to Facebook?
MySpace was having problems like communicating. Like it was, well, one, a lot of my friends, my sister, she's older and she had a Facebook. So I had both a MySpace and a Facebook, and then eventually just stopped going on MySpace because I think Facebook was just an updated version. It was more advanced.
What did you like better about Facebook, I guess?
Well, there's more people on it, and it's just easier. It's easier to manage. It's an easier website.
And
What other benefits about Facebook do you like?
What other benefits?
I mean, name some more.
I like the chat. I like the Facebook chat thing. That's fun. You can leave videos on people's walls. That's probably about it.
Yeah. Okay.
And what are the other questions you asked?
Dislikes about Facebook. That's about Facebook.
Are there any dislikes about Facebook?
Page layouts, like designs.
Oh, I hate how I started getting these things from like on my inbox. That's like, hey Ben, my name's Jennifer. I was looking at your Facebook and it's like this like spam virus thing, and I'm just like, okay. So like then you have to report it as spam, and it's wasting my time. Those are annoying.
Alright, and is it?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Alright, that's pretty good. This is Dan. Dan, what was the first social networking site you ever used?
Believe it or not, it was actually Xanga, which I'm very sorry to admit, but back in the day it was the cool thing to do. So.
Alright, so no worries. And I guess you use Facebook now, right?
Yes, I do.
What did you use in between that? Were you ever into the whole MySpace or whatever?
Well, what happened was, with technology over time, it's developed. So I went from Xanga, went to MySpace, and then there's always looking for the next best thing. So MySpace fulfilled my need for Xanga, and then Facebook just came onto that.
Exactly. So what do you see like improving about social networking as you go from Xanga to Facebook? What do you see in Facebook now that appeals to you?
There's more technology, and I think Facebook's more generated about meeting people, but also reconnecting with people in the past. So it gives you both options of it, and also you keep your friends from high school, but as like we are going to college, you can make new friends here. So.
And what features do you like about Facebook that weren't in the other social networks
I like how it's kind of basic. Like MySpace, you can have your layouts and stuff like that, and it was always changing. Facebook, it's basic. You can connect videos, you can communicate quick, and keep up with my family at home too.
Perfect. Everything.
Yes.
Dislikes? Alright, what are dislikes?
Taken poked. It's so awkward and it's so annoying. Don't poke people. Just talk to them.
And that's it.
Yep.
Alright. This is Steve. Steve, what was your first social networking website experience?
I also use Zanga, sadly.
Sadly.
Every once in a while I would fill in with the weird, random, stupid posts. Then I eventually moved on to Facebook like everyone else in the world right now.
Okay. And what do you see in Facebook that you didn't see in Zanga or MySpace? I'm assuming you used.
I had MySpace for a little while.
So what do you see in Facebook that wasn't in those?
I think Facebook is just a lot easier to use. Everyone, there's like 500 million people on it right now. So everyone's on it. It's way easier to stay connected with your friends. It's easier for older generations, and it's a lot easier to communicate within your friends. Whereas Zanga and MySpace were a lot more confusing tools to use on the internet.
And likes/dislikes about Facebook.
I really like all the photo tagging and accessibility to that, and that just makes it really easy to like share your pictures with friends and stuff like that. And walls, and it's just everything's right there. And I don't like those like stupid like games that you can play like Farmville or like feeding your fish or like trying to do that, then you don't need to go on Facebook to do weird games like that.
Alright, and anything else? Okay.
I'm good.
I see what you mean.
Okay, Zach, you're gonna be in our project, okay?
Alright.
Okay. What was the first social networking site that you ever used?
MySpace.
MySpace?
Yes.
Yeah, I figured as much. So what do you use now?
I'm on Facebook all the time. Like every day, as soon as I get home from class, before I go to bed, anytime I can get on the computer, I'm on Facebook.
So you'd say you're addicted then, right?
Of course.
Does it distract you from your work?
No, I don't really think so. I mean, I realize there's a time to study and time to work and a time to do whatever else I want to do.
Okay. Nice. What would you say the benefits about Facebook are?
I think social networking sites like Facebook allow us to connect with the world and have a say in the global village and like let us put ourselves out there more.
Nice. Are there any disadvantages about Facebook or dislikes?
I guess people can kind of spy on you, I guess. They can look at what you're doing, creep on you, you know.
Surveillance.
Yeah.
So, are there any other social networking sites that you use?
Right now, no. I don't use MySpace or Twitter, just Facebook. QQ. Oh, I actually use Chinese Facebook, too, to keep connected with my Chinese friends, so.
Nice. That's about it, I guess. You can stop recording whenever you want to.
I just zoomed into QQ.